Hey guys, Alicia here. This video is going to be about how to add an image to a mock-up photo. Now, I've done videos like this in the past, but as I've mentioned in some of my other videos, I'm trying to mix some of the old videos with the new because I have so many new subscribers coming on, and so I'm kind of revisiting the past. However, today I'm doing this with a twist. Today's video is sponsored by Tweetums Boutique. She is awesome. This is Tweetums Fashion Boutique, and it's on Etsy under Tweetums Boutique US. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below. Now, this is going to be an example of how images are on mock-up photos. And mock-up photos are very important because you want to display your images on Etsy to look great. People want to see what it's going to look like, on a t-shirt, and they're going to want to see what it's going to look like paired with a pair of shoes or a pair of jeans or shorts or something like that. And this is a prime example. So this video is being sponsored today by Tweetums Boutique US, or she has it on here, Tweetums Fashion Boutique. Very, very nice person. She is willing to work with you. Is what I love so much about her shop is that she has clothes for the entire family. I mean, t-shirts for the entire family. So, she does men, women, children, and she even does gender neutral, whatever you would like. And I'm going to show you some examples here. So I really like how she's displaying her mock-ups here. Some of these, she has them on, mock-up photos paired with like a pair of shorts and shoes. This one, she has it on an actual live person. So sometimes people want to see, hey, what is my shirt going to look like on a person? And she's got one here as well. Another thing I want to mention about her shop is that she offers custom work. If you see something in her shop and it doesn't exactly say, exactly what you want it to, she will work with you. She has a tab here, Request Custom Order. Now, I have already confirmed this with her. So if you see something that you don't want, that it doesn't say exactly what you want it to say and you don't like it, she will make a custom shirt for you. She does use Bella Canvas, and if anyone has ever worn a Bella Canvas t-shirt, I tell you, I sleep in them almost every night. They are so soft and comfortable. Sometimes we'll see a design we like on a different type of shirt, that we don't like. And when we do that, and this has happened to me, and it happened to me just recently, I saw a shirt I really liked, but I didn't like the shirt. So she uses Bella Canvas, and she's also has some apparel like hats, and she's got all these into categories over here. Alcohol, awareness, country, Easter, kids shirts, inspirational, tie-dyes, men's, mom tees, medical. I mean, she has everything. She's got even racetrack and gym tees. So whatever it is that you like, I highly recommend that you hop over and check her shop out and maybe purchase a shirt from her. And if you don't see something you like, request a custom order. I know I recently did this and got the exact shirt that I wanted. So another thing that she does is she does direct to garment screen printing. So it's not like vinyl where it's going to eventually wear off over time. This is something that is going to be screen printed and going to be on the shirt, and it's going to last a lot longer. However, with it being screen printed the way it is, it does give a little bit of the grunge look to it. So I am really liking a lot of these shirts, and I really love the way that she has them displayed. So I'm going to pull up one of these here. And by the way, just another note about her while I'm finding a shirt to pull up here. I'm going to pull up this one. She has only been on Etsy since this year, 2019. And she has already made, I believe, I'll go back and check here in a second, 85 sales. So, for example, so if you saw this shirt here, just a small town girl, she's going to add your city for you right here. So she does do custom work, and once again, if you see something or if you see a design, as long as it's not copyrighted or it's not stealing someone else's idea, she will try to work with you, the best way possible. Okay, so back to her shop here. This is once again Tweetums Boutique US, and I'm going to link this in the description below my video. Okay, so on to how to add an image to a mock-up photo just like she has done in these right here. Now I use a free site. It's called peckycalm, and if you've been following me for a while, I'm very fond of this site. Now you can do this in any graphic design site. You can do this in Photoshop. You can do this in PicMonkey. You can do it in GIMP, whatever it is that you like to do. But I'm going to show you how I do it on iPicky.com, and it's 100% free to use. So I am in iPicky, and I'm going to click right here on Create a Design. And the reason that I'm going to show you this is just simply the template size, because Etsy, on your first image of your mock-up photo, your template size, you want it to be at least 1500 pixels in width. And I always do mine like 1500 in width and 1000 tall for your first image, because that will fit perfectly in the thumbnail. So let's say that you were about to design a mock-up photo or resize a mock-up photo. This is just a blank white template here just to show you. You could go right here to New, and you're going to change the width right here to 1500, and then I always do 1000, and then we click Create. And this is actually the correct template size for Etsy, the thumbnail. Your first picture anyway. You definitely want to make sure that it's eye-catching and that you can, that it fits perfectly. So 1500 by 1000. I will also leave that in the description below. Okay, so I'm going to toggle over here to the editor. And I'm going to go to my photo library. And I'm going to pull up this mock-up photo that I purchased. By the way, if you're looking to purchase mock-up photos, you can purchase these directly on Etsy. You can also find them on other sites like Design Bundles. You can get them on Creative Market. There's several places that you can get these. Okay, so I've got this mock-up photo pulled up. And what I want to do is I want to click right here on the layering tab. It looks like 3 little stacks of paper on top of each other. And I'm going to pull my design over here onto this shirt. So I'm going to click on my photos. Now you want to make sure that your design is on a transparent background, and I have videos, several of them, on how to do this. So this is transparent. It says killing it. Okay, so now we can actually size this how we want it, and position it how we would like it. It is as simple as that. So now we have this simple design that looks awesome because it's paired with a pair of jeans and a pair of shoes. So now people can see what it actually looks like on a shirt. And you can, like I said, you can kind of play around with this and position this how you would like it to be. But that is how you put an image on a mock-up photo. I want to thank Tweetums Boutique so much for sponsoring this video today. Once again, head over to her shop and check it out. I will leave a link to her shop in the description below. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you want to learn about how to make money online, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are also interested in being sponsored in one of my videos, I'm going to put a link to that also in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.